Hi, I'm Lauren, the Chief Editor of Data Center Insight, and I'm back in your inbox with the news articles you should be reading this week to keep on top of what's happening in the data center industry. So we have some fantastic thought leaders this week, and we start off with an adapted article from our fireside chat as part of our virtual summit. So this session was a core part of our virtual summit, DCi Horizons, building the AI-ready data center. And our editor spoke with Dr. Sayuri Mudlia, a sustainability consultant and infrastructure project finance lawyer, on energy, AI, and the Hyperscaler Playbook, and how, while AI infrastructure could be deployed in months, the utility grid infrastructure needs 10 to 15 years to obtain those permits and actually build. And she also examines working with hyperscalers and how they're imposing legally binding strict supply chains of code of conduct, especially around transitioning to carbon-free electricity. We also have a thought piece from Steve Harding, who is the founder and CEO of climate tech ShowerCap, and he explores how AI's water problem isn't really about data centers. It's more about what the water is being used for. So the debate becomes a lot more nuanced if the water is aiding in delivering environmental benefits that outweigh the facility's resource footprint. So the question we should be asking around data centers and water usage is, are the activities powered by those facilities justifying the water consumption? Because if the AI is helping reduce leakage, improve water efficiency, strengthen infrastructure resilience, and accelerate the transition to a more sustainable economy, then the industry is generating environmental value that must be included in the question, in that equation. Next up, I sit down with the VP of Compliance and Associate General Counsel at Archive 360 to talk all about AI shadow regulation and the important steps UK companies need to build an AI strategy that is legally defensible without crippling operational efficiency. AI adoption is moving faster than governance, and that's where the real risk sits. 2 years ago, companies were banning AI. Today, those exact same companies are rolling it out fast while trying to figure out governance at the same time. Waiting for formal regulation risks creating a gap where litigation and enforcement effectively set the rules instead. And last but not least, we have Sarah Reeves, the founder of data intelligence firm Signal, exploring how real-time GPU pricing fluctuations could serve as the missing leading indicator for predicting power grid strain across the UK and Europe. That's all from me this week. If you have an article you would love to contribute, drop me an email at editorial@datacenterinsight.co.uk. And follow us on LinkedIn and X to stay involved in the discussion. Bye for now.